In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Slack. This is a handy feature that allows you to stay updated with your Notion activities directly in Slack, streamlining your workflow and ensuring you never miss important updates. So let's dive into the process of setting it up, which should take about 5 minutes. First things first, you need to open your Notion workspace. This is the place where all your Notion pages, databases, and projects reside. If you're not already familiar, the workspace is essentially your central hub within Notion. Once you have your workspace open, move your attention to the top left of the sidebar, where you'll find the settings. Click on this option to reveal your various settings and configurations available within Notion. After you're in the settings menu, look through the tabs until you find the one labeled Connections. This tab is vital because it houses all the integration options for Notion. It's where you'll start the process of connecting your Notion to Slack, among any other platforms you might want to explore. Now, within the Connections tab, keep an eye out for an option that says Connect Slack. Click on this to initiate the integration process. Selecting this will begin the process of connecting your Notion account to Slack, allowing these two platforms to communicate seamlessly. Following that, you'll need to choose which Slack workspace you want to link up with Notion. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you select the one where you want updates sent. Once you've identified the correct workspace, go ahead and click Allow. This permission is necessary for Notion to access your Slack, so it's a key step in seamless integration. With that done, navigate back to any specific Notion page that you'd like to keep tabs on through Slack notifications. It could be a page pertinent to a project, a database, or even your personal to-dos that you think will benefit from timely alerts. In the top right corner of the Notion page you wish to monitor, you'll notice 3 small dots. Go ahead and click on those to open a drop-down menu with more options. From that menu, you want to look for and select Connect Slack Channel. This is where you'll designate a specific communication channel within Slack to receive your updates and notifications. Finally, you have to pick the Slack channel that you want to receive these notifications. This could be a general channel, a specific project channel, or even a private channel you use for personal updates. Choose the one that aligns best with your needs, and you're all set. And that's it. Notion is now integrated with Slack, ensuring you remain connected with your updates effortlessly. This integration can significantly enhance your productivity by letting you manage your notifications in one place. Thank you for watching, and happy integrating.